how to transfer Solana from CoinDCX to Phantom Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Basically, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your Phantom Wallet account right here. From there, you will then go ahead and see your account address, so you can just navigate through your account address right here, and you want to make sure that you copy your Solana address. We will go ahead and use this in order to receive our crypto asset, which is Solana. Now from here, you can just go ahead and open up your CoinDCX app and head to the account section. From here, you can just go ahead and tap on the crypto transactions, and from there, you can now navigate through the withdrawal button. After clicking on withdrawal, you can just go ahead and choose your crypto assets. In our case, it is going to be Solana. From there, just go ahead and enter the amount of Solana and also the address that we have copied from our Phantom wallet. From there, just go ahead and swipe to withdraw and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.